I want to talk a little bit about my book, and it's going to be released next Thursday. Thursday Inspirations. I'll probably be live most of the day. I have over 60 gratitude letters that I'm going to read live. This is both to people that are living, people that have passed, people that I know, people that I don't know, mentors, providers, family, friends, just anyone that has helped me along this way. So I will be live next Thursday throughout the day. I don't know how early I'm getting on in the morning, but I will be live. I will let you know. This is my book. Be effing amazing. 70 healing insights to live your full life. And it's not about cussing, and it's not about being vulgar. It is about spirituality, and it is about how I learned to live a full life and the journey that I was on, and how I had hit rock bottom, and how I just wanted to be dead, and I didn't want my life anymore. I was over it, and I promised myself in 2014 that I was not going to live another year the way that I was. And I told my husband, I hate my life and who I have become. And I don't care what it takes, but I'm going to change it. But what my book is it will give you 5 different chapters. I have a chapter for each of my 5-step process. I have a chapter for detox, one for releasing emotion, one for mindset, one for reprogramming your mind, and one for exercise and physical activity. And then I give you my story of how I came across this healing insight. I also have a very nice introduction. I think you're going to enjoy it, of what it really means to be spiritual and how to get there. And then I talk about each healing insight and how I applied it to my life so you can apply it to your life. I give you the how. I give you the why. We didn't always get the why and how our body functions. We got, yes, be positive. Yes, be faithful. Yes, love unconditionally. Yes, forgive your neighbor. Yes, honor your parents. But we didn't understand the emotion that was connected to it. We didn't understand the feeling. These healing points to treasure, they just summarize one main point or golden nugget from every single chapter of the book and from every single healing insight. So I wanted to show you what they look like, but I keep going past it. Here we go. I won't keep you here forever. All right, so here it is. At the bottom of this page, it says healing points to treasure. So there's going to be 14 of those at the end of each chapter. As I said, one for each of the healing insights to add up to 70. So this is a book, a workbook. This is a way to improve your life. This is a step-by-step handbook to life. I have also shared some of the real life activities that I did while I was on this journey and my answers to those activities. I share all of that so you can see the depths of where my mind was and the emotions that were holding me back and how I came to release it all so that way I could move forward in my life. So I'm very proud to bring you Be Effing Amazing, 70 Healing Insights to Live Your Full Life. Next week, we will officially release this. I will be sending out emails and I will be making posts with the link so that way you can all get yours.